Hey, what else could you ask for?
Where's Kevin? There she is.
All the fucking work I need. I got all the fucking work I need. I got all the fucking work I need.
Fucking.
I got scared loud. Should go out. I'm fucking carry out of it.
I thought we were going to the cabbage.
I let off. I
Does it have oil?
I have oil.
It has oil.
Just have no oil pressure. Really hope it's not nervous.
I don't think we're making it back.
I'm gonna find another engine for this after just finishing it. That'd be embarrassing. If 5.3 aluminum block, L33, no longer in the engine.
No longer in the engine.
I'm in shambles.
All right.
Hey. Alright, aluminum block 5.3, no longer in the Camaro. Anyway, we pulled it out, and I was going to rebuild it, but then I found a good deal on this 6-liter LQ4. Anywho, yeah. Long story short, pickup tube was clogged in the 5.3 the whole time, so could have fixed it easily. Had to pull the engine to get the oil pan off, third gen cross members.
That's what I said.
All right, what are we doing today? Hit him with the
Exhaust. Look at this. We got pipe, 2 Thrush bullet mufflers,
Holy
which are huge. Bought us a little elbow because I figure we need that exhaust clamps. But yeah, we gotta get rid of this. We got like a 2 1/4 merged into single, and it's not ideal.
The thing's quiet.
It's quiet.
I think the
would
work truck's
say it's
louder.
Robin power.
So here's the new engine, guys. We are working with an LQ4 iron block, 799 heads, BTR truck cam stage 2, single.
God damn.
Single plane intake, Holly 750 double pumper, Holly blue fuel pump, same setup as before, just he got it all on a 6-liter bottom end now versus the 5.3, so. Oh yeah. Yeah, I almost got one muffler on.
Into a little elbow into this unit. And straight back.
You look like that guy off Home Alone.
What's his name? The crazy bugger?
Look at this. Look at that. How many pie cuts does the guy have?
Too much, I'll tell you that for free. The chance of this leaking, 93%.
Ooh, that's a high number.
Yeah.
Can't do fucking shit.
This exhaust is gonna sound fucking insane. Check her out. Ooh. That one's done to the glass pack. Pretty much axle dump. He's welding the hanger on that one.
Holy bubblegum, buddy!
I'm gonna fire this up soon.
Like an old setup?
Yeah, there, look at this. Cut, pie cut. Pie. This one's like 1, 2. The other one has like a million. We got a welded here, muffler to muffler. And then back there we got a hanger up through the floor. Mister's just putting some clamps here on the headers, and she's gonna fire. We're gonna bark her off.
Yeah, buddy. That's right, man.
We'll do the old test here. You ready? Fuck! I can't reach anymore. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they're up there. Oh, fucking leg cramp. God damn it. Show you from the rear. Fuck.
Home shoulder from the rear, bro, looks nasty, bro.
Oh no, that was fucking sick.
Oh yeah, it does.
Mister's putting them on. We're gonna fire it up. Predictions on the exhaust that you built today.
Like 10 being loud, and then
Well, it was so quiet before, right?
I think it's gonna sound good.
It's gonna sound fucking sick.
I think it's gonna be super loud myself.
I agree. First fire up. Something.
Thrush! I'm telling you! That sounds good!
That's not even that loud.
Nice! I like it.
Wow, I'm honestly shocked.
What do we put on there? 2 Thrush glass packs.
Sounds good. Let's get an underview. Oh. Trying to kill me?
I'm kind of lost for words here, brother.
To the idol.
Yeah, it sounds sick. Bro, I'm like pleasantly shocked right now.
Dude, why is it so quiet?
That is so quiet and it's clean.
My Monty is like so loud, and it's literally got the exact same exhaust.
Oh, I'm surprised as shit. That's still going. New exhaust on the Camaro. Duals, 2.5 inch on the 6.0. Ground clearance, still questionable, but we went from like 3/4 of an inch to 3 inches. So 3 inches is huge in my opinion, but I mean, yeah, that's a wrap for this video. I was gonna say something else. What did I say?
Drag and drive.
Drag and drive. I'm gonna be absolutely dialed on that. Nothing's gonna go wrong. I was gonna say something else too, but I forget. That's a wrap. Keep it to
Not to
like,
mention this
subscribe.
cowl hood's done. Look at that. We didn't even show that. The cowl hood. Oh. Don't put it on the fucking chip. See if Mister puts her on the chip for a sec. Let's hear this bad girl. No exhaust.